Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change heading text colors on Shopify. So first, go to Customize. In this page, you will see logo, colors, typography, layout, buttons, variants, pulls, and etc. So now, select colors and change this. This is where copy and pasting those little color codes from Photoshop. If you change this first color, because you'll notice it's a little bit lighter, just choose and pick any you want color here side. That's all. I hope this video will help you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.